On today's video, we're going to make a circular saw jig. I'm going to use 9mm plywood for this, and I already cut it in wide for 28 centimeters wide, and I'm here checking the factory cut so I can use it for the edge where my circular saw rests, so it could have a straight edge. And unfortunately my cutting process was cut because my camera is died, so yeah, and the measurement is only 6 centimeters wide for the edge. And here I'm just going to screw the first screw as the pivot point for my straight line, and here I'm using the square to square them off, but unfortunately it's not since the first cut wasn't really straight, so it doesn't make it doesn't square on both edges, so I'm just going to use one edge as the reference. And it doesn't really matter because it's the circular saw itself is going to cut them later on and make it a straight cut, since the circular saw is resting on the factory cut. So yeah, here I'm checking for the, as you can see here, the circular saw will cut around 2 centimeters wide an excess plywood, and then it's going to be straight. Here I'm cutting the jig, and since it's quite long, it's 130 centimeters long, so I have to do them not in a straight cut. And there you can see my circular jig is ready to use since it's really straight. Thank you for watching.